Hello everyone and warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am absolutely thrilled to have you are here today as we embark on a exciting journey into the enchanting world of wedding dress. Your wedding day is undeniably one of the most special and moments of your life. It's the day when you are to excite confidence, elegance, and sheer beauty. The perfect wedding dress has the power to make all the difference, and that's why I am here. I am of poor lay and explore the fabric that and your dream go picture with the soft touch of let's see the magical and the graceful trip of silk and embellished with feeding and delicate. These luxuries materials are careful selected to that every switch to the creation of a most prized that beauty and timeless charm while your wedding reset serves as the centerpiece with your taste to help you explore and discover your perfect style. I have range of Bahu to classic elegance now it into mood fabric for the play, creating these exciting dresses. Imagine luxurious materials such as lace, tulle, and silk. You are gone yourself is a timeless in a classic. The mood with the snake shaped dress, the world of fashion offer range of design from to classic elegance. You are find the dresses of your dream. Step into the bohus, absolutely amazing and unique to you. The choice for a dramatic when I can yourself your outfit with a traditional touch while a delicate flower crown enchants an opinion. I that with your unique sense, we understand that range dresses can be unique investment from some to be but feel what this is a investment and we want to ensure you that our affordable opinion or just says the true beauty of a rest is not defined but price tag, how it makes you feel reset that you can find that fit your budget, making you feel like $1 million without breaking the dresses into the enchanting world of wedding dress. Wedding dress are the cigarette supplying one popular trend in recent years is the go chic wedding dresses made from fabric such as these dresses are perfect for bohemian or outdoor wedding style and elegance of these dresses make them a choice for looking for a late bed and bohemian inspired wedding. If you are modern and simple wedding dress with minimal details is a part of option, you can statement jewelry or a gold to some personality and sparkle to your book. When it comes to accessorize a statement, always a good choice, long and elegance to your look while earning or a necklace add some sparkle and personality. Choosing your wedding dress is personal journey that should make you feel confident, beautiful, and comfortable on your special day. Don't rush the process and take the time to try on different style until you find the one that with you. I hope you found the ideas is helpful, and if you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more wedding tips and inspiration. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Hello. Today topic is all about one of the most special moment in your life. Add in particular the choice of your perfect wedding dress with cuteness, style and design available. It can be our choice, the right one that fits personality, body shape and the overall feel of your fear not, for I am here to guide you through some of the most popular trends and style for the Bohemian outdoor. Boho check wedding dress is the perfect choice. These dresses are made from light details. They are comfortable and elegant, perfect for a relaxed, intimate wedding ceremony. If you are a classic timeless ride, then a dress with fine body is and full skirt and excellent function. These styles are perfect for formal and grand and make you feel like a true princess with necklace and sleeves option. You can customize the look to your lighting. In recent years, more and more colored wedding dresses instead of the traditional white or black and unique and unexpected twist. Your fading look it is a great option for the national bride who wants to out and make statement. Thank you. Watch this video. I hope it was great for you in selecting your gown dresses. Is all about the most important dresses of your life. The wedding dress is selecting the perfect dressing your special day can be a daunting task, but it also an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities. With so many options available, ranging from classic timeless style to mood unique design, there is a dress for every bride to be. When choosing your wedding dress, it is consider various such as your personal style, body type, and the overall you are feel comfortable and confident, and your big day and your dresses reflect your personality. And popular trend in recent year is the go chic wedding dress made from fabric such as the dresses are perfect for bohemian outdoor wedding. The relaxed style and affordable elegance of these dresses make them choice for brides looking for a late bed and bohemian inspired wedding. If you are modern and simple wedding dress with minimal details is a part of option. You can statement jewelry or a gold some personality and sparkle to your book. When it comes to accessories, a statement jewelry is always a good choice. A long adds drama and elegance to your look, while hold earring or a necklace and sleeves option you can customize the look to your lighting. In recent year more and more